Welcome to Steiner Electric Company's Wellbeing Initiative tutorial. Steiner is dedicated to its employees and their families and offers wonderful health benefits to support you if you have a health problem. However, Steiner is also invested in an aspirational health benefit, helping you be the best you can be and enjoy your optimal health and happiness. They not only want to help you solve a problem, but help you avoid one in the first place. You should have received an email like this one that came from Orriant. Scroll down to the bottom and copy your password. Click on the link below and it will allow you to come to the login page for Orriant. Simply put your email address in, put your password in there, accept the conditions and terms. You'll land on a personal information page. On this page, you can change your temporary password to a permanent password. Be sure to enter your cell phone on this page and enable text messaging. That way you'll be able to participate in the ongoing well-being tracker that we'll be prompting you to complete on a weekly basis. In this area here, you can add your spouse's or significant other's name and email, and they will also receive an invite to open an account. Up here, click on the menu, go down to the Orriant snapshot. Completing this 5 to 10 minute survey will qualify you to participate in the first quarter's raffle. After you complete the survey and submit your answers, you'll see a personal report like this, which will give you a score in your overall wellness. It'll give you scores in each of your different categories of health. You can also click on a host of resources on this other resources page where you can go through educational components and learn more about what you can do to address your risks. When you want to exit this Orriant snapshot, just come up to the top and click on Home. This will take you to your landing page. This is the page that you will see each time you log into your account. And as you can see, you'll have a result here of your own personal well-being tracker and the most recent answers that you've given. You can also click on those numbers, or you can click on any one of the individual reports and get a trending of how you're doing in any one of the categories, whether it's social, emotional, occupational. Now, if you want to set goals through your portal and you want to work on some behavioral goals to work on, simply click on Goals in the menu, click Add Goal, and then choose whether you want to increase a good habit or decrease a bad habit. If you want to increase a good habit, you might say, well, I want to walk more. So you could choose on walk, and down here you'd simply say create a goal. I'm going to walk at least, you could say any number of times, let's say 5 times. In this case, you'd choose times per week. And you can say that this is a physical fitness or physical activity goal. You can set a goal in any area of well-being. You can even choose an icon that goes along with your particular goal. And you can choose whether to have that goal started this week or a prior week. We'll just simply say this week. Now, as you click Save and then go back to your main menu, you'll again land back on your landing page. And if you scroll down, you can see that you now have a graph, a dial graph on that particular goal that you just had, walking. And you now have a place where you can enter in your results for the week of how many times you walked. If I've walked 3 times, I can simply put in 3 and click on Save. And of course, you can get graphs showing you how you're doing on those, as well as the graphic display on your landing page. Now, there's a lot in this portal. There's a whole host of health promotion activities that you can participate in to encourage your health. There's a plank challenge. There's articles you can read. There's social media challenges you can participate in. There's healthy recipes you can do. There's a whole library of webinars that you can access. So there's a lot of information in the portal that can help you be as healthy as you want to be. If you want to work with a coach, which we would encourage you to do so, there's a message center where you can send messages back and forth between you and your coach. Now, they're confidential. You'll get an email saying you have a message, but you will click into your account, again, either through an app that you can download called Orriant Wellness or through your browser. There's also a section where you can track your various biometrics like your weight, your cholesterol, your glucose, and you can trend those over time. There's also a calendar where you can calendar things, be reminded. There's a resource page where you can go to identify other benefits that Steiner is offering you. And you can click to those resources. There's a whole wellness center full of videos that you can go to learn about different health areas. The media TV is an area where we every month put together a webinar and updated information. You can watch that webinar. You can also come down and there's a host of yoga webinars, Tabata webinars or videos, bootcamp videos, flexibility videos. There's a lot of content here. There's also a section where you can create reports on various goals you may be working on. This one you just barely started to do, which was your walking, and so you can trend that over time. And if you're interested in actually keeping a confidential journal that even your coach can't see, you can make journal entries. Going back to the main login page, again, this is a quick video tutorial of how the portal works. We would encourage you to take advantage of it. And I would remind you that we'll be texting out, if you've enabled text messages, a weekly reminder to take your well-being tracker. And again, that will update this graph here, and again with your trends. We would love to give your feedback. So if you click on feedback, you'll have a place where you can contact us through email or through fax or through phone, or you can send in a message for us that we will respond to it quickly. Each of you will be assigned a coach, and that coach's image will show up here, and by clicking on that image, you'll be able to see what your coach's name is, their office hours, how you can contact your coach, and all that information. A little bit about your coach as well is on that page. Again, the foundation of this well-being program is about helping you and supporting you in reaching the goals that are important to you, being offered to you by your employer, Steiner Electric. The coaches are there to support you through a long-term relationship and actually working on and accomplishing the goals that you want to accomplish. Not required, but it's certainly they're available to you. They can also just be someone you can reach out and contact to answer questions about health or areas that might be useful to you. With that, I'll conclude the tutorial and wish you all the very best. Feel free to give us a call, contact us through email. We'll be happy to answer any of your questions.